What if everything you've ever believed about reality is just the surface, and you hold the power to shape what lies beneath? Most people go through life convinced that the world around them is solid and unchangeable. The ground they stand on, the walls they touch, even the life challenges they face, all seem fixed. But what if everything you think you know about reality is fundamentally mistaken? What if instead, reality is more like a canvas and you're the artist with a brush in hand, ready to create? What we experience as reality is just a thin layer, like the skin of a drum. Science shows us that everything we perceive as physical is over 99% empty space. The particles that make up matter aren't even solid. They exist as probabilities until we observe them. This means that reality, as we know it, is only a small fragment of what truly exists. Beneath this layer lies a field of potential, where your consciousness has the power to shape what unfolds. Here's where it gets fascinating. Quantum mechanics reveals that the act of observing particles changes their behavior. This isn't just a metaphor. Your consciousness doesn't just witness reality, it influences and molds it. Think of it as painting. Every thought, every intention adds color and form to the world you experience. Most people remain unaware, creating unconsciously. But once you understand that your thoughts guide reality, you hold the key to shaping it with intention. For centuries, spiritual teachings have spoken about this hidden layer of reality. The Tao in Taoism, the concept of Maya in the Bhagavad Gita, all point to an unseen order beyond the physical. This isn't something you can grasp solely with your eyes. It's a deeper understanding felt with the heart and known by the soul. When you realize that reality flows from consciousness, your journey as a conscious creator begins. Imagine the physical world as a vast ocean. The surface is chaotic, full of waves and storms. But below lies stillness and depth. Most people live on the surface, unaware that they can dive into that calm, powerful place where true influence resides. The journey to this place starts with a quiet mind, an inward focus, and a conscious desire to connect with the deeper currents of your being. Our collective beliefs, fears, and narratives form a mental matrix. This matrix can trap us in a limited view of ourselves and the world. From birth, we're told what's possible and what isn't, shaping our understanding of reality. But these are just stories, stories that you have the power to rewrite. As soon as you start questioning the assumptions you've accepted, the matrix begins to dissolve, revealing a vast field of possibilities waiting for you. The journey isn't just about understanding reality structure. It's about reclaiming your role as a creator within it. Every belief you hold, every intention you set, sends ripples through the quantum field. This isn't a passive observation, but an active participation. When you truly grasp that your thoughts are commands shaping the energy around you, you begin to reclaim your innate power to create consciously, to break free from limiting beliefs and to create with intention, focus on alignment. In Taoist thought, there's the concept of Wu Wei, or effortless action. This doesn't mean doing nothing. It means aligning so deeply with the flow of life that action arises naturally, without struggle. This is conscious creation, where you're not forcing outcomes but allowing them to unfold through the strength of your inner alignment. Living consciously doesn't mean ignoring the physical world, but seeing it for what it is, a manifestation of consciousness. The physical is the final layer, a reflection of what lies within. By tuning your inner state, you change the reality around you. This is how ancient sages moved beyond the illusion, achieving mastery over their lives. Their secret: seeing life's challenges not as barriers, but as stepping stones to greater awareness. Fear is the biggest barrier to conscious creation. It keeps you small, reactive, and disconnected from your true potential. But fear is also an illusion, born from the perception of separation and limitation. When you understand that you are the creator, fear loses its power. Challenges become opportunities, setbacks become setups for breakthroughs, and life transforms from a series of obstacles into a journey of discovery. Once you embrace your role as the creator, life becomes a dance, not a struggle. Instead of reacting to circumstances, you move in harmony with them. You're not just a dancer following the rhythm. You're the choreographer, choosing the steps and setting the pace. Reality becomes your partner, responding to your every move. At its core, conscious creation is about alignment. When you tune your inner world to match the reality you desire, the universe responds. This is the essence of the law of attraction, the hidden blueprint behind life's manifestations. Creation isn't about force, it's about allowing. By embodying your intentions, you live in harmony with the universe, shaping your reality with grace and ease. Ready to break free from the matrix and step into your role as a conscious creator. Dive deeper, question everything, and start crafting the life you've always imagined. Embrace your power, align your intentions, and watch as reality transforms around you. The universe is waiting. Will you take the first step?